This is how insurance companies usually build premium calculators. An actuary builds it in Excel, then developers spend months rewriting it. Bugs appear, meetings happen, careers end. Today, we're going to do the same thing, but in about 1 minute. And we'll turn this Excel file into an AI server and a full web application. Welcome to Codsell. Here we have an Excel file that calculates the premium quotation for electric vehicles. These are the inputs: age, liability limit, windscreen cover, the car, and the postcode. Exactly what you would expect on an insurance website. And here are the outputs. We've broken everything down by coverage. The important number is net price plus tax. That gives us the total premium, €940.07. We also calculate the address from the postcode and details about the car, like efficiency, weight, and price, because spreadsheets love drama. Let's look at the cars table. We have make, model, version, and the car price. Scroll down, and you'll recognize a lot of these. Tesla, Fiat, Volkswagen. We have 840 electric vehicles here. Not huge, but not tiny either. And yes, Codsell can handle billions of rows. That's another video. And another coffee. Now the postcode table. Postcode, location, district. And yes, theft and vandalism rates. Insurance companies love spreadsheets with opinions. Scroll to the bottom. 196,000 postcodes. All inside a single Excel file. Codsell does not panic. Filters help us find things like the location for a postcode. The calculations sheet computes the cost of each coverage. For example, theft and vandalism pricing uses this formula. We also have acceleration rate tables. Faster cars cost more. Apparently, physics is risky, and constants like base price. This model is simplified. Actuaries, please don't email me. But Codsell works with extremely complex spreadsheets too. Let's close Excel and open Codsell. Drag and drop the file. And it's added. Important note, nothing is uploaded. Everything stays on your computer. Your spreadsheets remain your spreadsheets. Generate project. We select Codsell Dioxys Full Stack UI and Codsell MCP Server. Scroll down, click Generate. From one Excel file to a full AI server and web application in about 1 minute. Done. Project generated successfully. Full source code is generated locally. Nothing hidden. No magic cloud. Your IT department can deploy this. But let's run it locally. Let's open Codsell MCP Server. Source code. Yes, Rust. You don't need to understand it, but you can inspect files like the quotation input map. Let's build it. Build on terminal. Finished. Released. Now, Claude Desktop. I already configured the MCP server. This takes patience and JSON. Mostly patience. Let's ask. I have moved to postcode 1400-001. How much will it cost to insure my Fiat 500 electric? Claude is calling our Excel-generated calculations. It asks for the Fiat version. My age, insurance type, liability limit, windscreen cover. I'll say, Cabrio 42 kilowatt hours, I'm 29, liability limit 50 million. Windscreen cover yes. Premiums for all insurance types. It's calling quotation 3 times. Think about that. Excel to Rust, to MCP, to AI, in minutes. And here are the premiums. With breakdowns. This is what actuaries dream of and developers fear. This used to take months. We did it in minutes. No rewriting, no guessing, no meetings. But we're not done. Codsell also generated a full web application with testing tools. Select Codsell Full Stack UI, source code, Rust backend, Rust frontend. Ignore it or dive deep. Your choice. Build tab. Run on terminal. Copy the address into the browser. Select calculation. Big list of calculations from Excel. Testing Excel in Excel is not fun. Testing Excel in a web UI is much nicer. Select quotation. Click example. Tesla model. 3 performance. Compare with Excel. Same values. Click run. Total premium matches Excel. Proof this worked. Now my car. Select Fiat. Select 500e and then select Cabrio. 42 kilowatt hours. Age 29-ish. Postcode 1400. Mine is at the top. This is autocomplete. Fully comprehensive. Liability limit 50 million. Windscreen cover yes. Click Run. Instant premium. Rust is faster than Excel. Excel is now offended. Notice drop-down filtering and postcode autocomplete, all generated from Excel. One click, let's go further. Download as CSV, inputs and outputs in one row. Outputs start with *T*. Don't worry about that today. Go to Tests, drag the CSV file, run tests on one row, passed, view input, view output. It validated Excel versus Rust automatically. Now create tests, age from 25 to 35, windscreen cover true and false. Create CSV tests, 11 ages, times 2 windscreen options equals 22 rows. Run tests. All passed. Outputs are generated automatically. Download CSV with full portfolio simulations. In a real insurer, you could run your entire client book before production, without rewriting a single formula. So what did we do? We took a real actuarial Excel model, generated a full AI MCP server, generated a full web application, generated testing tools, all locally, all with source code, in minutes. This is how Excel should go to production. If you want to learn more about Codsell, visit us anytime at codsell.io.